Okay then. This is a ride from the hotel to the bus stand, from where we will be going to Bagan. Bagan, baby.
Bagan, baby. Caught on camera.
So, Bagan is known for its Buddhist pagodas, which are basically temples. There are close to 4,000 pagodas, which are spread over 104 square kilometers. इसका मतलब ये है कि वहाँ इतने सारे पगोडाज हैं कि तुम जहाँ पे भी देखो तुमको सिर्फ पगोडाज ही नजर आएंगे. Nice bus. The AC is on. We got free water. And such a nice, handsome driver, baby. Nowadays, people can travel really cheap. And one of the ways to travel cheap is to volunteer. All you have to do is give your service for a few hours in exchange of food and stay. And that's what we did in Bagan. We stayed here for a week and spent only 2,500 rupees per head.
With the help of websites like Workaway, HelpX, Woof, anyone can volunteer anywhere in the world.
As a volunteer, we only had to work for 4 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, and the rest of the time was for us to do whatever we wanted to do. So we went swimming, play pool, connect with other fellow travelers, and explore Bagan. So that's what we did in Bagan, you know. Yeah, this name? Mogu. This? Bamane.
And husband. Wife, husband.
Oh, wife and husband.
Single.
Oh,
Single.
couple. Okay.
This husband and wife?
Son is my favorite.
Son and
Okay.
Minglaba.
Minglaba.
The only place where you can actually climb up the pagoda, and it is in front of the cave monastery. Going into the cave monastery. कभी सास जी कभी बहू थी. Sand?
Look at this.
Yeah. What if this falls down? Wow. Gargi. This is where I live. Look at the view. So after Bagan, we did a 40-kilometer hike in just 2 days. To watch that, see our next episode.
Life is a winding road,